Hello, my name is Haley and I'll be talking about Multibrush today. So Multibrush is an application owned by the same creators of OpenBrush, which is an online virtual reality drawing platform. This program is more geared towards artists who have a very creative headspace and want to create something basically out of thin air in virtual reality. And this program is fairly new, so in this video I'll be explaining my experience with it. I'll give you some tips and tricks on how to start rooms with a new multiplayer feature, and just overall go over some of the features that I would change in the future or I would hope to see redeveloped. And so now, as you can see, I'm going to show you real quickly how to start a multiplayer world. So with this button, you just press that and there's an option to create room, edit your avatar, or change your name. This will display to the other person in the room or people. And here you can see me just changing my name real quickly, just to make it more efficient. And the max number of people you can have in a room is 12. You can also disable avatars or make the room private or public. Disabling avatars will allow it that you only see the headset when a person is in the room, making it a little bit easier to do collaborative drawings. For this demo, that's what I did exactly. But if you choose to keep avatars, it will show up as the MetaQuest avatar that you have on your headset login. And as you can see there, to enter a room, currently Multibrush only works with a local multiplayer mode, which means that the same devices have to be on the same Wi-Fi. And I would prefer if in the future you can also do collaborative features with other Wi-Fi connections, so international things. So it would be very, very interesting. And so as you can see here, the user interface is very similar to OpenBrush. You have all of your basic brushes, along with you have your other person there as well. Sorry about that. When you collaborate in this room, I thought it was very, very unique. For this demonstration, I called one of my friends. He's not very into art compared to me, so I just wanted to show that this program is made for everyone, just to have fun. As you can see, when he had a little bit of like a dialogue pop up from his headset, he is actually talking and the headset is picking it up in the audio of the program. So you can disable this if you're not really fond of it, but it does make for some really cool recorded videos and really nice content as well. As you can see here, I'm drawing a little dragon. I love drawing dragons, and I also draw a cat. Just a little doodles just to show the capabilities of this program. Some features that I would already change off the bat and I hope improve in the future. In multiplayer mode, there is no undo button. The undo button does not work because it counts as other people's strokes. When you move the canvas, which is basically pressing the inner buttons and expanding or making your character very small, it does affect where your model is tracked in the program. So if you are doing this, let's say, in a very open space with the person and you are on free roam mode, there's a small possibility that your headset and body won't link up. So maybe you can accidentally hit them if you're in a mode that is not pass-through mode. And speaking about modes, you can change the environment to your liking, but if you change any features such as lighting or shadows, it will affect everyone's drawing in the multiplayer world. So it's suggested to have a cohesive theme when doing a multiplayer world. As you can see here, my friend is drawing in the background. We're just having a really good time. Hello, and here I'm now showing you how fun it is to work on something together, even if you don't have full artistic skills or you are a professional artist and you think that you need something of super high quality. It's just generally fun to work with people on a virtual reality space. So here you can see I drew that dragon previously, and now I'm having my friend color it in and just having a really fun experience with it. So as you can see here, you can see more of that UI. It's basically the exact same as OpenBrush. If you need any help about that, I made a whole video about OpenBrush and its tools in depth. So just feel free to check that out as well. Here you can see I'm using those hole brushes. The hole brushes are personally my favorite. I go over that in the other video as well. I think they create really nice shapes and they're very, very unique. As you can see here, we were collaborating the whole time, so you can see his headset pop up with audio all the time. And this is also the no avatar mode, so you can see how easy it looks. Really, really quick and easy to maneuver around. Yep, and I'm just coloring it a little bit more. Some more things I would change about this program as well. I would wish that, as you can see here, this is one of the big issues. I wish there was a feature that if my avatar entered your avatar, that it would be see-through. So even though we are facing the same way of an object, drawing on the same side of a plane, then we would be able to work simultaneously. And as you can see, his controller is a lot bigger because he's on a scaled version of the program while I'm on a smaller scale. But here you go. You see, we don't really have any issues when drawing on the same plane together on the same side, but it would just be really good quality of life feature to fix that in the future. And overall, my experience with Multibrush, I really do enjoy this program. I do enjoy the collaborative features. I think it's something that OpenBrush should have guaranteed, and I believe that with time this program can be improved. And I hope you enjoy and make some really creative stuff. Thank you for watching. And here I'm now showing you how fun it is to work on something together, even if you don't have full artistic skills, or you are a professional artist and you think that you need something of super high quality.